it's your birthday. We are here at Nasi Tempong and we are with Kuya and one more. We're with Kuya as your famous mineral. So many ingredients.
I feel it in my veins, asking all this pain, been searching high and low, with nowhere else to go. I used to feel alive, so many years went by. I wish I had more time, just wanna feel alright. Stars across the sky.
Really?
Really, yeah.
Wow.
The foggy and like this view.
Ah, you can take a picture more.
Time to
Go.
go.
Very right, very ulit. Ayan, 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 ayan. Yan, pretty, pretty, pretty. Pretty, pretty lady. Smells.
Coba. Enak coklatnya, ada nyoba ya? Zil coklat. Dari mana, Bu?
Guys, day 2. This is our day 2 na sa Bali. And it's currently 5:34 a.m. Nag-aantay na yung driver. So, we need to hurry up. Today's itinerary is Nusa Penida, the whole day. This is gonna be a long day. So, hi guys, this is my outfit for day 2. Sorry, day 2. Day 2, going to Nusa Penida. Ganun pala yun. Let's go. We're about to order. Hey, what's yours? What's mine? What's everyone? Everything is a picture. Tapos, masyadong heavy. Two fries. Tinapay. French fries mo. Sila, order na tayo. Ikaw. Kala ko lang, hindi ko na-videohan.
Where you come from?
Philippines.
Both.
Oh my God. Hello. Hi.
Be careful. Here na lang ako. Here. Sama si... Asking all this pain, been searching high and low, with nowhere else to go. I used to feel alive, so many years went by. I wish I had more time, just wanna feel alright. Stars across the sky, sky me home, no more cry. It's time to go, been searching for you, high and low.
Kaya nyo pa?
Di ba pa yung stairs niyan? Ay,
Mm-mm.
where did you go? We can fly away, we can fly away, we can fly away,
Hindi ko alam eh.
fly away to a higher place.
Hirap mag-ikaw. Coming!
Kuya naman, kasalanan niya naman kasi yun.
Be,
Ang tagal niya.
kasi ako sa peanut butter.
Ako hindi.
Ay, sinikman mo?
Ayoko.
Sabi niya hindi daw masarap. Maniwala ko na.
Oh, so pretty. Pero ito yung reality. May mga
Lang kamera.
bitter. Uy, nagawa ni Chi! Your curls, sobra. Surprise nila ako. Pero alam niya na. Kasi nila, we can't.
We can do that because she is always with us.
I told you na naguligo eh.
Okay lang ba yun mapayat?
Maybe this. Try mo nga. Di ko nga kaya kanina pa eh. Ito lang.
Ganun mo shopping.
I brought. Uy, pwede mo ka sumali? Ha? Pwede mo ka sumali sa amin? It's your birthday. Dapat it's us who are,
Shop till we drop, we're feeling fly. New trends, new styles, oh my.
trying out Wingstop here in Bali.
It's just mais, no BOA.
Ang sarap kasi ng sauce. Okay, I'll go with this.
New trends, new styles, oh my. We click back to the card. Shame girl, we've got the heart. Flaunting, we're shining, we glow. Girls night out, watch us go. Fashion on fleek, head to toe. Shame girl, steal the show. Oh, shame girl, we're looking fine.
12 a.m. na pero, ayan, kakapulmon niya siya. Guys, we're here. Hello. Yes. Sino nagbabayad? Philippines. We're here at Bali Swing. Magsising kami there. You guys see that?
Nakahanap kami ng
Yan, second location. Here ba? Here. Guys, napakagaling nila dito mag-picture. Lahat ng tao, super friendly. Hello.
Where are you from?
Philippines. Yeah. You see? Hello. That's the second location. Here. Ito yung second spot na dito.
Feel alright. Stars across the sky, guide me home. No more crying. It's time to go. Been searching for you, high and low.
Diba?
Dapat, mas mahal yan.
Mas mahal yung mga ganito kaysa sa pool. Yun lang talaga sila. Ako na, ano talaga ako? Eh kasi wala tayong ako. We're here at the Hint. Ako tapos lang naman kumain. Excuse me. I'll go cheers everyone. Dapat binidyohan din natin siya eh. Kayo yan! May video kaya ako! Sige, ano yung nangyari? Nagtanong ako, ano nga kaya ninyo? Hoy! Wala kang tinanong! Meron! May video nga eh! Tapos, hindi niya ako pinansin. Tapos nag-usap kayong dalawa. Sabi ko, oh, gano'n yun di ba? Kaya ayaw ako kumain! Ano nga na? Ano? Kaya pakinggan nyo maingay. Nag-usap kami dalawa. Oh, tawa nga! Hindi namin narinig. Diba? Sabi ko sa'yo eh. Okay, nahihilo ako nga to. Kawawa. Tinutulak ako, nahihilo ako. Sunset. Nakalike pulang-pulang. Alo, ang lakas ng alak. I want more! Uy, yan na!
Welcome to the world's best beach club.
Good morning guys! Today is our fourth day, our last day here in Bali. Nagmamadali kami. It's currently 8:59. Yung reservation namin 9 a.m. Pero nandito pa rin kami. Nandito kami ng gising. So ngayon, nag-aabot kami ng oras. Iniisip ko mag-sulit pa ako or ganito na lang. This is our Airbnb, ang Kalata. Dito walang natutulog. Sa labas kasi magkakasama kami sa isang room. Here's my fit for our fourth day. Inantay lang namin si Kuya Kadek para pick upin kami. Magbe-breakfast kami sa The Beach by Ours and then going to the Edge, then Malini. Kuya Kadet. Hello?
Hello, G.
Yes? We're here at McDo drive-thru and wanted to try this matcha top. Wait lang, baka kita yung... Masarap? We're here at Uluwatu na, going to the beach by ours. The famous way to here, the beach. Puro ganito muna ang madadaanan. Aray, ang sakit na talaga ng legs namin. Stacy, ano? Wala tayong picture. Best seller.
For the breakfast,
Yeah.
you want more egg?
Any. Parang I wanna try this butter.
Yeah, it's a little bit.
How about that?
Bali, ganun na lang gawin natin.
Okay na.
Ay, sorry. Ay, sabi niya, sorry. So, it's okay. You don't know me. Ganda-ganda yung pwesto ko, Beo. Ganun ako. Gago, binuksan.
And remember the last time we sat.
Sobrang lakas ng alon dito. Yung bato tumama sa paa ko. Pero ang sarap mag-swimming. Gusto ko bumutalon kasi baka aluan din ako lagi. Ha! Wala na yung chinelas ko! Hala! Yung zipper na!
What's called Pavila?
Malini?
Malini, yeah. Nice.
White Yes, here!
Oh, ada soar nih, Bo. Ada soar. Yan. Oh, parah tuh. Iya, kita. Karo. You just text me if you need something, okay?
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay.
Hi guys!
see
we're
what you're
here
doing
at
now,
Malini.
right?
We're having an early dinner here.
Okay.
Uy, that's...
Sobrang mga Latina. Bakla, dito ka. Sobrang Latina na mga above na to.
I feel it in my veins, masking all this pain. Been searching high and low, with nowhere else to go. I used to feel alive, so many years went by. I wish I had more time, just wanna feel alright. Stars across the sky, guide me home. Don't cry.
Ano oras tayo?
Time to go, been searching for you, high and low.
Sana sa next trip natin,
Dol.
dapat walang...
We are here sa Tattoos sa Seminyak. Magpapatato kami pero very small lang here. So, ito yung papatato namin, guys.